Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with the third part of my Honcho Wholesale unboxing. If you want to see the first two parts, stop this video and go back and click on the link in the bottom. I will have both videos linked at the bottom so you can get caught up, okay? Now, got the box open. Here's my receipt. This is the women's plus size, primarily spring summer apparel. I paid $193 for 25 pieces to average out to $7.72. All right, that to the side. Let's dig in. Here is a pair of Style & Co jeans, high rise, 24 wide petite. Oh. Are these jeans? Yes, they're jeans. Straight leg. Yep, they're jeans. Straight leg jeans. Petite length. Original price is $59. Next is a top by INC. Okay, with sheer sleeves, V-neck. Floral top, and it is by INC. It's a size 3X, and the original price is $74.50. Next is another top by INC, short sleeve. Ooh, pretty. There. Short sleeve black top. Again, it's INC. It's a size 2X, and the original price is $69.50. Next is a New York collection animal print dress. Okay, so you have the cold shoulder, right? And it's a maxi dress and goes all the way down. This is a size 1X and the original price is $70. All right, this is by Alfani. Looks like a cotton candy type of top with the bell sleeve. It is a size 2X, and the original price is $59.50. Next up is a sweater top here, but it is a tank kind of top. So this is a good transitioning piece, okay? Because it's sweater material, but it's sleeveless, okay? This is in a size 2X. It's by Beldini. I never heard of that brand. That's a new brand for me, Beldini. And the original price, wow, they actually reticketed. So this is a Macy's reticket price. And the original price is $129. Wow. Beldini. Pair of black shorts by Style & Co. Size 20 wide. These are cargo shorts. And the original price is $52.50. Okay, this is by Karen Scott, and it's a red dress. I need to get this one listed now. This would be perfect for the 4th. It's a red shirt dress with buttons on the shoulder. And the size is 3X, and the original price is $54.50. It looks like I have a lot of, just by looking, it looks like I got quite a bit of more of spring in this box for fall than I do summer. So that's good, because then I can still put them up and I have something on to transition to fall. So here is a blue pair of pull-on slacks, short length, navy blue, size 1X. I already have these listed, so all I have to do is just increase the quantity or do a multiple listing, like a variation listing of the size. And this is regularly priced at $44.50. Okay, next is a dress from Style & Co. Maxi dress in a sky blue. And this is just a pull-on dress, sleeveless. And again, it is very much maxi. So this would be a good dress just to throw on if you're going to the store or you're going for a walk on the beach. You can wear it over your bathing suit. The size is 3X and the original price is $69.50. It's like a skirt here. Oh no. Woo. So black little frilly dress, okay. Get your Tina Turner on in this dress. Hold on, let me make sure I'm holding it right. See it? Yeah. Get your Tina Turner on in this dress. This dress, however, is heavy. Okay? It has some weight to it. So, this is by City Chic. It is a size extra large. And the original price has been taken off. Okay. It's a white button down, sleeveless top by Style & Co. Okay, it's just a sleeveless top. Go good with a pair of shorts or actually, I think this would go great with a pair of shorts. And it's a size 1X, and the original price is $56.50. Another maxi dress, black and white stripe by INC. Short sleeve, V-neck. That's the bottom. Size 2X, and the original price is $109.50. Next up is a pair of white linen capris by Karen Scott. And they're cargo capris at that. And the original price is $46.50 and the size is 1X. Okay. White pair of jeans. These are considered to be boyfriend jeans. That's just a piece of lint. Oh. And it's by INC. It's a size 18 wide, and the original price is $79.50. A black pair of the comfort waist pull-on pants in short length. And these are a size 1X, and the original price is $44.50. Alright, but this one, this is a pull-on maxi by City Chic. This is so nice for now. Okay, it's blue, floral. Okay, it has the ruching in the middle to kind of hide our tummy issues, but also to give you a waist as well, since this is a maxi dress. It goes all the way down. Okay. Again, it's by City Chic. The size is 18, but the original price has been taken off. Another pair of cargo shorts with the braided belt. This is a size 14 wide, and it's in the stone color or khaki color. And the original price is $52.50. My favorite top from the last box. This one is in the size 18 wide or dress. I guess you would say it's a dress or a tunic. Okay. And the original price is $99.50, and the brand is Alfani. Almost to the end. So we got another one of these by Alfani, and this is just a dress, and it has the tie waist. It's the back. Goes all the way down. It's pretty much a maxi dress, but it stops like before your ankles. And it's a size 14 wide, and the original price is $99.50. I have a sleeveless jean top. Okay. And it's by Style & Co. Size 3X, and the original price is $56.50. I have a pair of white capris. These are in a size 22 wide, and these are by Style & Co. And the original price was $56.50. Another pull-on pair of pants in black, adjustable waist, short length, an aqua color top by Style & Co. Size 3X, and original price is $44.50. And the last item is in a bag, and these are by Lee. I haven't seen that brand in a minute. These are a pair of shorts, cargo shorts by Lee. They're in an 18 wide, and they are originally priced at $56. Okay guys, that's it. Box is empty. I hope you enjoyed this video along with the other videos. Let me know if you like that I did it this way, or if you prefer to have them all at one. I think that would have been a little bit too long to do that. Again, if you saw anything that you liked, you can always message me if you saw it in your size and you wanted me to, and you want to go ahead and grab it. I will send you the link to my eBay store. I will post it there, and you can go ahead and buy it there. Okay, that's one. Two, if you saw anything you like and you're interested in trying Honcho Wholesale, there is a link in the bottom of the description box. It's the very first line. Well, maybe the second line after the intro. So it's the second line in the description box to Honcho Wholesale website, and right underneath there will be my coupon code. You can use it even if you are not a new customer. You can use that to save you some money on your order. Okay? Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and if you want to see a listing video on all the stuff I got in this lot, thumbs it up and I will get it up for you. See you in the next one. Bye.